EcoCar is a strong collaboration of more than 27 government and industry sponsors who have provided more than $755 million worth of software, hardware, and funding to support this program.
The sponsor social is actually a really great way for us to meet with all the various sponsors on the project. It's a really valuable opportunity for our students to be able to meet with some of these people that are, in mid and high levels in these companies and network for future job possibilities.
Magna has two divisions that are supporting EcoCar 2. One is Magna Powertrain, which makes gearboxes, and Magna E-Car, which makes motors, inverters, high-power electronics, and does vehicle system integration. We are donating 5 of our E-drives, which include both the motor, inverter, and gearbox in a one modular unit. These packages are very space efficient, highly energy efficient, and we're very proud to be doing this.
The Freescale technology really gives us the ability to control. It gives the car the ability to think and operate correctly. We've been given this year an i.MX 53 powered center stack device to develop for our vehicle. It's given us the opportunity to go out and get more students in different fields involved. We've been discussing with computer science and software engineering department about creating a senior project team to develop on this. Automotive is a big place for people with that kind of skill set.
Working with DSpace has been very good. You can tell that they're very invested in seeing us succeed. They're very helpful. I mean, there have been times where I've sent out emails at 10:30 at night and had a response within 5 minutes on some question I had about using their software and systems. With the DSpace simulator, we can simulate our vehicle under operation. We can run drive cycles. We can collect statistics and get energy and emissions. We can introduce fault and test how our controller detects and mitigates them.
California Air Resources Board thinks that it's critical to develop the students who are going to build the cars that we need for tomorrow in California to maintain our air quality and reduce our petroleum independence and decrease greenhouse gas emissions. And we're not going to get those cars unless we have the best possible employees and engineers at the car companies building them, and that's what this is all about.
GKN Driveline is a Tier 1 automotive supplier, and we're actually providing these 2 different transmissions for different schools to actually hybridize and electrify their vehicles. The EcoCar event is actually very, very unique, and it's a great opportunity for us to get to work with students who will be our end customers or potentially employees in the near future. The main reason we're sponsoring EcoCar 2 is actually we really feel strongly in the technology, and we think it's a good place for the GKN product to be in these vehicles. So we do have a handful of openings that we're looking to fill, and this is a perfect place to get the right students that have that background.
A123 Systems is donating us a state-of-the-art battery pack. This has allowed us to achieve a very extensive EV-only range on our vehicle, which means that we don't have to use fuel for all of the typical driving that your standard North American would do in a day. The technical support A123 Systems has provided us has been really top-notch. It's been really great to have engineers talk to us about not just what's the best way of designing things, but thinking about in the future when we're actually implementing these, is it going to work? Because these are things students sometimes don't have exposure with.
The MathWorks products that are used by the student teams are the same set that are being used in industry right now. The key thing that tools like Simulink and Stateflow and underneath it MATLAB, these are the core products that we have, they allow the students to develop a high-level system understanding of behavior. When they get to industry then, they show up armed, ready to be productive members of wherever they're working immediately.
AVL provides AVL Drive to the teams to use for the vehicle evaluation for drivability. The experience gained through the competition by the students really puts them in a great position to come into companies such as AVL.
Natural Resources Canada has been involved in the student engineering competitions since the 1980s. The students are very impressive, and some of the ideas that they come up with are very thoughtful, and I think they're thinking outside the box, and I think that's important.
The EcoCar 2 competition absolutely would not be possible without the generous support of General Motors, the Department of Energy, and the organization and management of Argonne National Labs. The amount of resources, time, and energy that these 3 entities have put into this competition really speak to the commitment that they have in investing in the next generation of automotive engineers.